Hello and welcome to this course, Ultimate DevOps Guide with Interview Preparation. What is DevOps? DevOps is a combination of software development and information technology operations that enables business to deliver applications at faster pace. It is a software development and operations approach that enables faster development of new products and easier maintenance of existing deployments. So DevOps has revolutionized workspaces in many ways. The number of DevOps-related jobs are increasing while it's ranked as an in-demand job. What we are going to learn in this course? First, we will handle the Ultimate Linux Guide with Interview Preparation. So, we will have a slide and we will learn Linux from the beginning, Linux versus Unix, Unix architecture, we will learn the directory structure, basic slow commands. Finally, we will have the Linux interview preparation. You will have the confidence to enter the interview and pass it without any issue. Ultimate Docker Guide with Interview Preparation. Here we will learn what is Docker and why to use it, how Docker works, the VM versus containers. Finally, we will handle the Docker interview preparation parts. So we will be ready for the interview for any Docker related question in the interview. We will have Ultimate Python for beginners with projects. So here we will learn how to install Python, how to write our first hello world, the data types, numbers, the math. We will have a project, what is the bot scanner, how to write a bot scanner, and we will learn how to build our first web app directory, and we will learn how to build our first brute login as well, while having understanding of what is brute force and the types of brute force attacks. Then we will handle Ultimate Jenkins Guide with Interview Preparation. So we will learn what is CI/CD, what is Jenkins and why to use it. We will have a project to integrate AWS with GitHub with Jenkins, with diagram as you can see, create VPC from the scratch and subnet, internet gateway and NAT gateway to install VPN and to secure our connection. Also, we will set up a Jenkins URL depends on a private DNS or a public UNS. Finally, we will have Jenkins interview preparation parts, where we will be ready for any Jenkins related question in the interview. We will learn Ultimate Terraform Guide with Interview Preparation. So in this part, we will learn a Terraform introduction, Terraform Visual Studio, how to install and folder setup. We will have a project, how to build EC2 instances with 2 different subnets and VPC from the scratch. All of that will be handled here in this course. Finally, we will have the Terraform interview preparation parts, where we are ready to answer any Terraform related question. We will have Ultimate AWS Guide with Interview Preparation. So in this part, we will learn what is AWS and why to use it. I am introduction. We will learn and we will be ready for any AWS related question. So we will have a dedicated AWS interview preparation parts and have the confidence when we enter the interview. So what are the requirements for taking this course? Actually nothing, just patience and eager to learn. Who is this course for? DevOps engineers, obviously, DevSecOps engineers, developers, system administrator, IT engineers. So what are you waiting for? Enroll now. Also, we will have a 30 days money back guarantee with job guarantee if you follow my lead and follow everything here in this course. Follow the steps, answer the interview questions, practice a little bit, and you will be ready. So I'm pretty sure I will see you there. Are you excited?